Hello and welcome to Gaming Evolved. I'm Goliath, this is SnowRunner, and as you can see, we cannot. There we go. Alright, I have just noticed something. There is a vehicle here, Royal BM17. I have no idea what that is, but after we get this upgrade, we are going to go straight here. And we are going to get that vehicle back to safety. Alright, we're doing it. We're going to get a new truck. Maybe that's the truck that's going to keep us in this area. We just don't know. So that's what we're here to discover right now. We're going for it. Come on. We should probably hook that up. It seems like it's got good repairs. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, come on. Need you to drive straight over all this good stuff. Like you did without the trailer, but do it with it. Come on, come on. Okay. I don't know why you're climbing that, but sure. Did it with style, man. That was sick. Okay. Oh boy. Now look, we haven't had anyone say whether we should stay here or go to the next map. We haven't had anyone say that. Sorry, not next map. Go back to Michigan. Level up, get the truck done. No one said anything about it. So, if no one's mentioned what they feel by the end of this, by the time we finish this, not this episode, but finish Alaska, this area that we're in. If no one said anything by then, we're going back to Michigan. We're going to level up. However, as I said, that truck might be what saves us. Sure, it's the trailer once again. I'm just gonna go back to auto. Seems to move just that little bit faster. Well, that was short-lived. No, not there. No. Oh, well, that's not great, but I mean, it didn't really move us that much. Come on, come on, get us going a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on. That's all we need, just a little bit of momentum. Wow, our truck is smashed. Come on. I'm really tempted to just leave the fuel here, hey. I'm so over carrying the trailer. No, not there. Yes. Come on. There we go. Let's go auto. We're gonna need the speed once we start moving. Oh no, broke the tree. It's alright, we've got another tree. Come on. Come on. Come on. Chevy, just go and get. We're good, we're good, we're building speed. Come on. We're not building the speed. It was all the winch. No, we got this. This track doesn't look trailer friendly at all. Okay, it doesn't seem, well, vehicle friendly. That's the easiest way of saying it. It doesn't seem anything friendly. Alright, come on. Come on. Oh, it's bogging on the left. Give up. Oh man, we really need like chain tires or something. I mean, I don't think chain tires will help here. Do chain tires help on snow? I don't know, because I mean, we're not dealing with icy terrain, which I thought chain tires helped with icy terrain. This is snow and mud. Come on. Going low and slow, Chev. It's your favourite. Let's do this. Keep the momentum up. Get the wheel up. You got this. Our front left is up. We should be getting some better traction, but... Oh, they're both up. Both up. There we go. Alright, maybe low and slow is how we're doing this. I hate to say it. It's going to take a while, but... maybe it's how we need to drive. We shall see. Oh, stay out of that. We don't want to go back in the rut. The trailer's in it. Yeah, the trailer's in it. Of course the trailer's in it. We're in thick stuff on the side too. Alright. Maybe we should drive over the top. Maybe. Stay out of the snow at least. Our tyres should be able to do better in the mud than they do in the snow. Should be able to. Front tyres just went straight down. Oh my. That is a lot of agua. Maybe hugging the right hand side might be the best option here. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. If we get stuck, I'm telling you right now, if we get stuck, I'm leaving this trailer. Alright. I'm sick of it. I want upgrades. I want the vehicle to be independent on its own. I don't want to have to tow fuel around all the time. Stuck, aren't we? Is this the trailer's fault? I don't think it is. I think it's the reeds that we're in. Come on. Come on. Where's that truck? That truck should be over that way somewhere. Man, this stuff is worse than the water. Come on. Oh, man. Maybe we should just winch. Maybe. As much as I'd love to dump the trailer now, we need to fill up the ute. Well, the Chevy. And then we need to fill up the new vehicle that we're going to find. That way we can, you know, hopefully repair it enough to turn it on to bring it back. There we go. That's a better winch point. Go on, mate. Get it done. Where is it? It's right there. Use the momentum of the downward hill. That should hopefully bring us down, give us a little bit of speed. Give us some angle, I guess. We are driving this. I just want it to go faster. I'm so excited to see this new vehicle that I just want to hurry up. I know, I should take my time, enjoy the game. But I am enjoying the game and I want to go fast. Wheel fast. Come on. Let me throw this. I just need to touch it just a little bit. No. You, that one. Get upgrade. No idea what that's for. Alright, now we have to somehow turn around through this horrible terrain. I see a lot of winching in my future. Come on. Oh, the terrain up here is not bad. Oh, it's not bad. I mean, it's not great. But it's not bad. That's alright. Okay, not as much winching in my future. Come on. Stay away from the water a little bit and hopefully we stay out of the slush. Oh, we need to refuel. Are we at the water edge? I think we are. That's what's in front. It's cattails. I can barely see. Oh, that's a bad spot. We are still driving though. I don't know where we need to go. Oh, like essentially forwards. Like to there. Okay. Even though we're driving, we're doing alright. I'm gonna winch. just to help us through, because we do need the fuel. As much as I want to ditch it, we do need it at this point. There it is. Oh. Oh, that looks like a serious truck. Come on. There we go. That's the right tree to winch to. Oh, we should have refueled. Man, look at that. That's a serious truck. Alright, come on. Refuel. All the way. Refuel that all the way. We're good there. We want repair. Not ours, we want this one. Engine. Yeah, we just want to throw it all in engine. That way the thing starts, you know? And we've stopped. Oh man. This is horrid. It's really horrible stuff to drive in. That looks like a real serious truck though. Genuine. See how it's turning? It's automatically going with the direction that we are going. It's alive. It's working. All we have to do is get it out of there. But keep in mind there is a tree right next to it. Our best bet was to go the other way. Oh man. Oh dude, that's not good. Okay. Stop engine, change truck, go to this one. Oh. Wait, why is it not moving? Oh, the gearbox is out. No, the gearbox shouldn't be out, surely. Wait, we were in neutral. What? Look at this thing drive. Why did it go neutral? I'm confused. Maybe when the gearbox is bust, it just automatically switches. Maybe. Alright, come on. Come on, truck. Come on. I know you don't like this. Your tires aren't made for it. You're in rough shape. I believe in you. Come on, buddy. Come on. Went back in there again. Man, this thing has some berries. This might be the truck that we need. Alright, we want to change truck, go to this one. We want this here, where we go there. On that, see how it's following us. Their engine is on. Why are they not driving? Are they stuck? I think they've gone into neutral again. They have, they've gone into neutral. Okay. This is going to be a lot harder than I thought. We might have to drive this truck in front of the Chevy. Maybe. I'm not having good feelings. Oh, come Come on. Need to turn just a little bit. Come on. Dude, this is a fight, hey. Serious, this really is a fight. No, not there. You know what? Stop. Where's the winch? There. Okay. Oh, stop winching. There you go. There. The big solid tree. Big solid tree. I need you to turn. Oh, I need you to go this way, buddy. This is the way I need you to drive, alright? It's neutral again. Man, this is rough. Come on. Yeah, gearbox is fried, man. Come on. Something get me out of here. This truck has great potential. It just keeps going into neutral. Come on. Please. Should we just recover the truck? I don't want to be that guy. Okay, come on. You're doing great. Except for that. Stop doing that. Oh, wait. What was it clicking? Oh. Sorry. Sorry, it's my bad. Wait, can I stop this winch? Hold up, that one. Okay, apparently I can't winch to the front. Wait, what? Wait, no, wrong one. Turn engine on. Yeah, see how the wheels are spinning? It's literally driving. I can't go forward anymore. Alright, I think my best bet is to get this vehicle up. I think. Come on. Man, we have used so much fuel already. This thing is in such bad shape. It's incredible how bad this is. Maybe we shouldn't use all-wheel drive. Maybe that's partially killing the gearbox. Nope. Come on. Can I just winch? I don't even know. Oh, we'll get it there. Oh, we're just gonna force it with a winch, I guess. Come on. I am very, very stumped with this. I'm very, very stumped. Alright, change truck to that one. Come on. Why is the parking brake going on? I'm so confused as to what is happening here. It's like the game is trying to make things a lot worse. Why? Winch to the front! What is happening? Go that way. No. Don't break the tree. Don't break the tree. Come on. I need to get in front of the truck. I don't think I'm going to be able to. The truck's so fat. Come on. Slowly getting around it. Come on. We got this. We got this. I can't winch across. No. No, hey, come on. Okay, winch from there then. My days. Come on. Come on, winch, do your thing. Wow, it just drove over the tyre. That's crazy. Oh, man. We're not equipped for this place, everyone. I'm gonna say it. We're going back to Michigan. Oh, sorry, everyone. It's happening. We are 100% gonna go. I'd love to stay here, but we're just not ready for this terrain. We're really not. Is the other car moving? The other truck's wheels aren't turning. I don't think it's driving. No, we're literally pulling a dead weight at this point in time. I don't know why its gearbox isn't re-engaging. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I'm just going to recover it. Something weird's going on here. Release the winch. Stop the engine. We'll change truck and then we'll recover this one. Come on. Let's have a look at this truck, eh? Let's have a look at this one. Maybe we can use it to go save the other car. Okay, so how do I know what's the best one? Oh. Okay, that's better. That seems to be the most powerful one. But I don't think we need that. Off-road. Yeah, we'll install an off-road gearbox. Suspension. Raised. Isn't unlocked. Tyres for 51-inch tyres. 51. They're all terrible. They're all terrible. No spare wheel. Does have snorkel. Stock's only there. That's not great. Alright, that's a good snorkel. We'll go with that. Why not? Frame add-on. Fuel. Oh. Fuel is tempting. However, if we go with that, maybe we can explore with our truck on the back. And then the terrain that this truck can't get through because it's too tight. Maybe we can unload the Chevy and then go in the Chevy. That's tempting. So tempting. Seismic vibrator module? Oh, that's a mouthful and a half. Oh, this is a fuel tank repair and spare wheels. I'm very tempted for that. Very tempted. That's just repair. Don't need that. I think we're going with this. It has fuel. It has 300 repair and 5 spare wheels. I think that's what we're doing. Now, we might have a truck capable of doing some of this terrain. Maybe. Refuel. We are full. We are full. Everything we need is on there at this current moment in time. Man, that looks cool. Doesn't that look cool? Damn, Daniel. Alright. First things first. We need to get our car back. Or do we? I am tempted to leave it and I don't know. You know what? We're going on a rescue mission. We're gonna get our Chev back. We're just gonna do it. Alright, this bridge is out, but we are going to find a way across. Don't care. It's what we're doing. Alright. That's what we're doing. Let's get her done. We probably won't be able to rescue it this episode. However, we will be rescuing it at some stage. Is that ice? That looks like ice. That's intense. Now with this vehicle, I am hoping that we can get in front of the Chevy and tow the Chevy behind us. And for moments that this vehicle starts getting stuck in, the Chevy might be able to move forward and push us. Maybe. It is possible. Man, this truck is cool. I like this truck. It's making weird noises. I don't know, do trucks normally sound like this? Oh, okay, don't slide. Don't slide. I didn't like that. I didn't like that. Please don't be sliding. Oh man. This thing is so cool. Oh. Almost minced that sign. Almost. Come on. Come on. Oh man, I'm concentrating so hard here, hey. You can probably tell by my lack of communication. Alright, this side. All-wheel drive. Come on, baby. You got this. You got this. Oh no, we're hung up. We're hung up on the back. Oh, the camera's real poop. Okay, the camera's not great. Okay. Come on. Oh man, this thing is cool. Just imagine, guys, we've only just started to unlock and find all these new cool vehicles. Only just started. I can just imagine what the next vehicle is going to be. Oh well, I think from now on, we have a permanent recovery / fuel vehicle for every map. I think we're going to make this our truck. Alright, how do you do on this stuff? It's bogging a little, but it's still driving. Oh, I'm not even in all-wheel. Are you serious? This truck don't care. Oh. It cared a little bit, and now it no longer cares. Yes! Oh man, this is awesome. Yeah, a lot of people said you should have kept that other truck. And I agree, we probably should have. The other Chevy, the Kodiak, I think it was. I don't know, a lot of people said we should have kept that. However, there's always bigger and better. Always bigger and better. Just like the Chevy. There's always going to be better than that Chevy in this game. Always. But we kept it because it was cool. This truck, this looks cool. I like this. Big truck. Look at that snorkel, mate. I don't know if I'd ever want to be in a vehicle that low under the water. I'd be so scared. Oh man. Nearly snapped that tree. Didn't care. This is unreal. Oh man, we've just hit the 30-minute mark. What do we do? What do we do? I think get to a solid bit and we'll check how far away we are. So I don't think this is going to take long to get to that river section. Come on. Come on. Man. This thing is in oh, I don't even have English for it. Okay, we are definitely bogged there. Or not. Or not. This thing's like, what? Bogged? Me? No. Yes. Oh mate, come on. Come on. Just need you to bounce up just a little. There we go. There we go. Oh, mate. Let's go. We definitely need diff lock. Definitely need the diff lock. But we're alright. We are alright. This truck loves it. This truck loves it. Look at that. New rig. That's what it's going to be. New rig. Alright. Oh, we're here. Already. Alright. I hate to do this to you, but show me what you got. It's not much. Oh no. What have we done? What have we done? So it handles off-road really, really well, but water? No. Mind you, even the Chev got stuck there. We've got to give it some credit. It's a lot heavier than the Chevy, and it's gotten stuck in the exact same place the Chevy did. Alright, go to the other side. Oh, we're spider winching. Man, we are stuck. Oh, we're starting to move. Mate, it does not want to go. There has to be something there. Oh, looking at it now, there's a whole root system it looks like. There we go. That's the good one. Come on. It does not like this area. The Chev didn't either. So as much as I love this truck, maybe it's not that great. Maybe. Oh, are we going over? Oh, come on. Come on, get up, get up, get up. Come on, Chev. Wait, it's not a Chev. Is it? Wait, is this thing a Chev? Come on. What are you stuck on? I don't understand. Is it this cactal plant? Are there like brick walls in real life or something? Alright, we're gonna have to end this very soon. Alright, finally we got the tree in front. Finally. Come on. No. No. Go forwards. Stupid winch. Ugh. Come on. Okay, I'll manually do it. It won't reach. Oh no. I'll go forward just a little bit. That's all I need, just a smidge. Just a smidge. There we go. There we go. I got it. I got it, I did. Oh, this is horrid. This is bad. Look at it. It's like a thin layer of snow and mostly slush. Oh, we've got the other tree. Just have to stay away from this one and we should be okay. Come on. Nah, I think we hit. Oh, no. No, it's dragging us past. It's dragging us past. Go. Oh, we've got a winch over there. It's cool. It's cool. It's a good spot, I think. I don't know. It's probably bad. It's probably bad. Yep. No. Oh, this is bad. What have I done? Alright, well, I guess this is about as good place as any to leave it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.